Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our lesson today. We are going to look at adding using place value chart. Can you say adding using place value chart?
Adding using place value chart.
Good. But before we start, let's have a song. Finger one.
Finger one, finger one. Where are you? Where are you? How do you do? Finger two. Where are you? Where are you? How do you do?
Three.
Finger three. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Four.
Finger four. Where are you? Where I am. How do you do?
Five.
Finger five. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Six.
Finger six. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Seven.
Finger seven. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Nine.
Finger eight. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
10. Okay, good. Mosquito. Kill it. Sit down. Now, as we were looking, adding using place value chart, we can look at our chart here. For example, we want to add number 47 plus 6. 47 plus 6. And in our previous lesson, we said 47 is how many tens and ones? 47 is 4 tens and 7 ones. And 6 is 6 ones. Now, the first thing we do here, we draw our place value chart. This side we have tens and this one we have ones. So 47 is 4 tens, 7 ones. Then we add 6, which is 6 ones. Now, after making your place value chart like that, you start by adding the ones. You add the ones. We have 7 ones and 6 ones. 7 ones plus 6 ones. What do you get? We get 13 ones. We get 13 ones. 13 ones is the same as 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. Now, this 110, we carry it to the side of tens. We carry it to the side of tens. We remember what we said, that a bundle has 10 sticks. So we are carrying what? 10, which is 110. 110. Now, we have 110 plus 410. What do we get?
5.
What do we get? 510. We get 510. So 47 plus 6. When we add it using place value chart, we get it is 5 tens and 3 ones, which is 53. Which is 53. Good. We can also add we can also have another number that we can add. For example, 39 plus 7. 39 plus 7. Now class, I want you to attempt this question in your groups. Can you add this question in your groups? Okay, who can do for us? You have done it in group. Who can come forward and demonstrate? Yes? Can you come and demonstrate what you found in your group? Good. He has added. So we have 3 tens and 9 ones. He has added 7 ones. So you start by adding ones, which is 9 ones plus 7 ones. We get 16 ones. 16 ones is 1 10 and 6 ones. We carry 1 tens. We add on 3 tens to get 4 tens. So our answer is 39 plus 7. Using place value chart, it is 4 tens and 6 ones, which is the same as 60, which is the same as 46. 46. Clap for him. Good. Now, let us do the following questions in our exercise books. We have 39 plus 7. We are adding using place value chart. 81 plus 9. 43 plus 8. Now let us do it in our exercise books.